bwanyuma yo kubarukaho kwa boma hasande abashuubuzi hamwe n'abavugi b'imotoka nibashaba amahanga gombiri kuganyweza eby'okwerinda ekirije kubayambaho okukora emirimo yabo.
Tunaweza omba, ni ombi letu sisi wafanyabiashara, viongozi vya nchi mbili DRC na Uganda watia akili pamoja juu ya kuprotege, juu ya kuchunga wakaaji ya boda zote mbili, kwa sababu kama mambo kama hayo yananja onekana, watu wataogopa kufanya biashara. Hata kwa soko watu wataogopa, kwa sababu kama mambo kama na hayo yanaonekana fazi kuko umati ya watu, hata watu wataogopa enda sokoni.
Nilikuja mpaka hapa, kuna bomu ililipuliwa kwenye kanisa hapo, mauaji, na hiyo ni hofu kwetu sisi upande wetu, hata madereva, na kwenye biashara pia inatuletea matatizo. Kwa hivyo tungeomba wazingatie usalama wa binadamu, usalama madereva na kama watu wengine wote.
Vincent Kagandi omumba avugi b'imotoka ebirukuza Kongo najyangu no bagumize mu nemirimo yabo konka bino kutina.
Ayo kusinzira kumbere yabaddewo fe baduleva kitufu tusigadde tukola tewanaba kubaawo nyombere leta kuba nti emirimu giyimirira yensonga eyo naffe tuwulira biwulire nti emitala bomu yakubyeyo naye ffe twasigadde tukola.
I can see several trucks both coming from the Congo and going to the Congo, as you may see in this background. I can see shops open. I've seen just a few minutes ago, I've seen herds of cattle and goats crossing through the Congo. I can see several people moving on foot.
Lieutenant Mate Magwara ori omuhwezi wa RDC wa district ya Kasese na Ageihangwe barinzira abanya-Uganda okureba ngo business zabo zatamburaje.
On the Ugandan side, our forces, the UPDF, the police, the security agencies, the intelligence agencies, and the wananchi are vigilant. In the event of anything, the wananchi are sharing information very closely with the army, with the police, and with the other agencies. So we are not so much worried about what is likely to happen immediately after here. No.
Ogunayongera girangwe eby'okwerinda byongerwemu amaani. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.